I feel like robot vacuums have taken over CES 2026. We have robot vacuums that climb stairs, ones that have drones, but Narwal is doing something a little bit more practical. They're perfecting the features that you'll actually use.
Narwal had an incredible booth this year showcasing their latest products with several stations to demo their features. This year, Narwal is releasing updated models of their Freo lineup with improved performance across the board. This includes a new entry-level model, mid-range, and of course their flagship Flow series. There's also a new cordless stick vacuum, updated wet-dry mops, and a mattress cleaner that I can't wait to get my hands on. Let's start with the Flow 2, Narwal's new 2026 flagship robot floor cleaner. I love last year's Flow, and in my review I said it was easily one of the best robot vacuums on the market, especially when considering the price. Not only did it excel in cleaning performance, but also obstacle avoidance in all of my tests. The Flow 2 improves on the original in a few key areas while bringing a fresh new look. Instead of the rounded design Narwal has had for years, the Flow 2 is more squared off and boxy. Initially, it will come in the gray color that you see here, but a white model will be coming later this year. Another big change is the removal of the front compartment and top lid, which no longer opens. Instead, the clean and dirty water tanks are exposed like most other robot vacuums, making them faster to access. Under the tanks, you'll find a door that opens up to the dust bag compartment. On the other side, you'll find a slot where the cleaning solution is installed. This new design is meant to be more modern while delivering an overall faster user experience. Let me know your thoughts on the design change and whether or not you prefer the more curved look of the original or this new boxier aesthetic. One of the biggest upgrades on Flow 2 is the new Narwal Pro autonomous system. It combines dual RGB cameras with a new VLA OmniVision model. This new visual language model and AI processing gives Flow 2 unlimited object recognition. This is actually a really big deal. It works whenever the robot vacuum encounters specific objects that its onboard sensors can't accurately identify. It then automatically captures an image and transfers it to the AI model for assistance. The AI visual language model then performs advanced image recognition to determine what the object is. Since this is cloud-based recognition, it will continuously update the local database in order to constantly adapt to your home, making it better over time. The new Narwal Pro autonomous system also brings other features like auto pet cleaning, which automatically detects pet active areas and adapts for deeper cleaning. Another feature called Find My Pet will send Flow 2 to locate your pet so you can check on your furry friend at any time, and Smart Pet Companion allows you to video call your pet and then interact with them using different animal voice packs. Another cool feature is Baby Care Mode, which does several things like putting Flow 2 in quiet mode whenever it detects a crib nearby. I definitely could have used this about a year ago. Toy recognition and reminder can help locate and detect misplaced toys, and sterile protection for crawling zones ensures areas your baby frequently crawls are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. Lastly, there's AI Floor Tag, which is my personal favorite. This feature gives Flow 2 the ability to recognize valuables such as rings, watches, or necklaces. That way, if you ever lose or misplace them, Flow 2 can help locate them by searching under furniture. When found, it will take a picture and then mark it inside of the Narwal app. Pretty genius. Narwal demoed some of these features at their booth, and they worked great, but it was in a more controlled environment. I definitely want to test this in a more real-world scenario, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see that video. Flow 2 can also adapt different avoidance strategies depending on the object and obstacle while it's cleaning. This includes 8mm close range cleaning for stable objects like furniture legs, 20mm mid-range cleaning when detecting normal objects such as shoes, 40mm safe distance cleaning for safety when encountering objects like pets, and 70mm protective bypass cleaning for risky objects like pet accidents or specific spills. It also has different cleaning strategies for dry and wet debris, adaptive dynamic cleaning for smart separation of wet and dry waste with real-time strategy adjustment for optimal cleaning. The other is dual direction mopping, which includes a reverse pass to prevent side brush contamination, forward pass to remove tough stains, and its ability to automatically rewash and remop areas until the floor is properly clean. The original Flow was already excellent at both vacuuming and mopping thanks to its track mop design, real-time water infusion, maintenance-free real-time scraper, and its self-cleaning onboard dual water tank design for wastewater extraction and storage. Flow 2 features the same cleaning system as the original, but with upgraded 158° Fahrenheit hot water mopping, which should allow it to clean tougher stains much easier. As for vacuuming, Flow 2 packs the same 30,000 Pascal of suction power with carpet-focused technology and intelligent particle detection, along with the dual flow tangle-free system. All in all, Flow 2 seems like a great upgrade over the original with practical upgrades to features that I'll definitely use. I can't wait to get it in-house later this year to properly test it. Next up, we have the V50, which is Narwal's new stick vacuum that I really like. Design-wise, it's sleek, minimal, and modern. It has an all-in-one station with several cool features that will make everyday use much easier and convenient. For instance, it automatically empties itself into a 3.2 quart dustbin or dust bag depending on if you want to go eco-friendly whenever you dock it to charge. There's an active dust scraper to remove any debris caught around the filter to maintain airflow. This is something I've never seen before, including on my expensive Dyson that I'm currently using at my house. The front panel of the dock comes off, exposing hidden storage for accessories. Up top, there's an area that charges an extra battery. This is something that I haven't seen on other stick vacuums, but incredibly useful. The actual vacuum is comfortable to hold and features an adjustable telescopic handle. It weighs around 3.1 pounds, making it easy to carry and maneuver. There's a few different suction modes, including a carpet focus mode that lowers the front portion of the vacuum's head to create a seal against the carpet for stronger suction. There's full cycle detangling to prevent hair from getting caught around the brush, and smart dirt detection with a built-in light to easily spot debris. It has an advertised suction force of 210 air watts with over 45 minutes of runtime when using it in eco mode, but don't forget about that extra battery that I talked about earlier. I really like the V50, and if I don't end up getting a review unit, I'll probably end up buying it later this year simply because of its compact design, price, and feature set. The other new product Narwal released is the U50, a maintenance-free mattress vacuum that has several cool features. For starters, it has a built-in fully sealed antibacterial disposable dust bag with a see-through design that Narwal claims can deliver up to 2 weeks of maintenance-free use. I love the see-through window because it makes it easy to spot things that may have accidentally gotten sucked up when cleaning, or to just simply see how much nastiness is coming off of your bed. The U50 can also remove and prevent dust mites and allergens. It has 137 degree Fahrenheit hot iron heating and UVC sterilization, which is really cool. It also beats the mattress or sofa while it's cleaning in order to loosen up trapped particles from within the fibers. It does this at a speed of 60,000 taps per minute, which is kind of crazy. This works in tandem with the 16,000 Pascal of suction power, which in itself is already impressive. Weighing only 3.7 pounds and featuring a large, comfortable handle, the U50 is definitely ergonomic and easy to use. On the top, there's an LCD display for status updates and mode selection. Initially, I was pretty skeptical when I heard about the U50, but after seeing it and its features and capabilities, I think this is going to be a hit. I can't wait to grab one for myself since we have a small dog that sleeps with us. Outside of these products, Narwal did show off their new wet-dry mops, which I didn't really have time to fully demo and get footage of, but they do look great. I wanted to review one last year, but didn't get a chance, so hopefully I'll be able to get my hands on one of these 2026 models and give you some coverage later. I think Narwal did the right thing and they did a great job. They're playing it safe, they improved the features that matter, and they didn't give you any gimmicks, which is unlike some other companies.
If you want to learn more about any of the products featured in this video, you can find links in the description. Some of these are going to be coming out relatively soon and some later in 2026. But I got a question for you. What was your favorite feature that Narwal is delivering in 2026? For me, I definitely want to check out the Flow 2, and I have to get my hands on that V50. Sound off down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop it a like, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.